Welcome to another episode of What's for Dinner, Bald Man. So my stuffed pork loin, this is the full meal deal. You can go and watch the full video of me actually doing the stuffed pork roast. Apologize for the audio on it. This is one of my favorite meals to do. It reminds me of my grandmother. It reminds me of the holidays, be it Christmas or even Easter, for example. We used to do a pork crown roast versus doing the loins, and that became too expensive, and then we used to actually just go to Costco, grab 2 mega loins, and this is what we did, just butterfly them, stuff them all in there, making the full meal. You can do whatever sides you want. I did these Parmesan carrots as well as just basic mashed potatoes that way, and then making a gravy from the pork loin jus or juice that way. The roast is so pretty, and it's honestly not that complicated. It comes out great, and I love gravy. You can add it to any meal right next to bacon for me. Probably that's why it's. We're gonna have to rename this Fat Bald Man eventually, or Fatter Bald Man. Again, easy meal, just a little bit of prep, but again, between the potatoes, carrots, even making a coleslaw or salad for it, not super intense that way if you make the roast ahead of time. And again, here's just some of the details on making the gravy. I add hot sauce on mine because I like a little bit of a kick, but some people like a bit more simple that way. Look at that, all brown and delicious. Start cutting in that and see all the different layers. So pretty. Again, everybody, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. What's for Dinner, Bald Man?